Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What I will be cooking this afternoon is another dish kasama sa tanghalian namin to pero hapon. Ito yung tinatawag na ginisang sardinas, and the ingredients will be 8 chopped chayote. Chayote fruits. It's chopped already. So it's ready to be mixed on the fat when it's ready to be placed. Okay, the number one procedure here for a ginisang sardinas, it's the normal thing. We should know how to maggisa. So I will have a frying pan here. Slow fire only because I will be igigisa ko itong tawag dito, bawang at saka onions. Ang nagpapasarap naman sa ginisa is actually yung ginisang ingredients na onions at saka chayote. So I will be placing now the oil here. So we got some oil already. Okay. It's a little bit hot now. Medyo mainit na ng konti kaya I will be placing the onions now. We call this the sauté process. Ang nagpapasarap sa lutuin ay yung pag-sauté ng paggisa ng onions. Okay. Plus garlic. Nauna mo na yung garlic because I don't want to burn the... nauna yung onions because I don't want to burn the garlic. Slow fire only. So you could smell the great smell already of sauteing the onions, you know. Paggisa ng onions. Okay. So actually the sardines here is ready, you know. Okay. So there is only one ingredient here. It's the chayote fruit, which was being chopped to small pieces. But for the ginisa to be delicious, of course, we should saute on onions and garlic. That is okay in kitchen cooking, you know. If you don't know how to saute, okay, your cooking will not be delicious. Okay. I will be placing now the garlic. I will try to saute the garlic till it will become golden brown. So the fire is just small, so we don't burn the garlic, you know. Am I still on camera or I am total for my camera? I bend my body a little bit so you can see my head. Sometimes my video, my head is actually missing, you know. Looks good. So the saute process is just gradual because we don't want to burn the garlic and the onions. Okay. So the flame is just small. We don't want to burn the onions and garlic, because the taste will be different if the garlic is burned, you know. I will try to increase a little bit the flame. This is just one of the simplest dish to cook. It is a so-called ginisa, you know. If you got sardines and you want it to be more delicious, you try to saute something, then put the, what you call this, the sardines on it. And if you have some ingredients to add up, like this one here, I will be using a chopped chayote fruit. This is one fruit of a chayote. It's chopped to small pieces already. So when we place this one inside, it will not take so long to cook it. Okay, I keep stirring this one. My onions is becoming golden brown. I will try to increase more the flame. Okay. So this is an easy way to cook. Ginisa is just do the sauteing of the onions and garlic, then put anything that you want to gisa. We call it gisa because prior to that, there's the sauteed onion and garlic, which will make the thing that you will be cooking delicious, you know. Without the sauteing process, okay, the dish that you're cooking is no good, you know. Because the good thing about cooking is that if you don't know how to saute, your cooking will not be good. I think the onions and garlic are almost done. Okay. They are golden brown already, you know. They are golden brown. So we are ready to place the sardines inside. So I will try to loosen the fire. Okay. I will now place the sardines inside. I place a little water, just a little. Okay. The next one to be placed is the chopped chayote. Okay? I place the chopped chayote now. So we are almost done. Okay? We are almost done. We are almost done. The sardines actually we don't have to cook the sardines. We just heat it up when we place inside. So the only missing thing here for it to be a complete dish is actually to cook the they call this chayote. I just controlled the plane because our fire alarm got activated, so I don't want something that's smoke that will be coming here because we got the fire alarm, you know. So I try to minimize the plane so there will be any smoke over here. As you could hear it, the fire alarm was activated, but it's gone already. In here, we don't have to place a fish sauce already because the sauce of the sardines is already well mixed. It's a good taste already, so we don't have to put anything for the taste to be good. Of course, the taste from the sauté is different, right? The sauté thing is actually the one which will make the sardines taste good, okay? And we don't have to add any fish sauce. Actually, I just added the chopped, they call this chayote, and it's almost done. Chayote, we don't eat chayote half cooked, okay? It is at least 75%, okay? 75% or 60%, because if it's overcooked also, it's not good. My alarm was activated because there was a little smoke over here when the flame was strong. You know. Right now we are cooking fully the chayote. We'll cook it 2 more minutes. I tested the chayote. It's half cooked, 50%. We'll go 75%. I please make my camera a little bit so it can see the inside of the cooking pot. I will taste one more time the chayote if it's cooked already. We are cooking fully the chayote. See? It tastes delicious already. I think that's it. I tested the soap. Excuse me. It was too delicious, you know. That's it. It's cooked already. It's cooked already. So this is, I will try to stop the flame now. And as you can see, the so-called ginisang sardinas, in which the ingredients is actually a chopped fruit of a chayote. Of course, before we do the cooking, we do the so-called sautéing of the onions and garlic for the soup of this ginisa to be delicious. Okay? Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. Los Reyes.